Ayan o.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Hello, Swan! Daming Swan. Hello, guys!
Bye!
Ay, daming Swan, oh!
How are we going to swim in there with all the swans?
Hi, Swan!
Vegan! Yeah, you like mine. Yes, look at my sunglasses. Amazing!
Let's go there. Doon tayo punta sa
I'm
ano.
going swimming there. No, don't swim.
Look, ala to ba? Over. You know that one?
Oh no.
Gansa yata yun eh.
I'm
Gala, bite
a
you.
robot.
Naghahabol yan, be. Go there. Habulin ka niya. Look the dog. Ala, go. Yan, no, nag-antay.
I was swimming.
Bala po. Mahabol yan. Talag bagong pangalak.
Hi, Japo. Hi, Kamawa.
Ang ganda rito, green na green, no?
The same din naman makikita natin.
Ew!
Ew!
Ala to.
Amazing! Chow chow! Just go! Lick the poo-poo! There's poo-poo!
Green grass. Saan tayo yun, guys? Saan tayo yun? We are in Hyde Park.
And then
Hyde Park
give the
tayo.
bull a ball. How we can swim?
Green. Doon, hanap tayo ng pwesto doon. Doon tayo kumain. Hanap tayo ng pwesto.
What the arrow?
The arrow.
And she got Danny needed that. Yeah. Going down. Didn't have tattoos. But he does. What? Have a beak. He doesn't have a beak.
Pagbalik sa... Hindi, meron doon sa dulo. Huwag sa bungad. Sa Margate. Maganda sa Margate. Kaya malayo yung konti, no? Salo sa... Sabay pinunta natin.
Let's take another picture. Let's take another picture. Wow. Very, very cute this time. This is how we take a picture. We press it.
Warm up, maganda. Hindi tayo naka-swimming pool. Kasi...
Done. Now, we take a picture with this is a phone. This is a phone which could open and it has like a little toy in it. How about on close? Yep. Let me take a picture myself with my little friend. Okay, now all together.
La Wait lang, wait. May
Careful,
dadaan.
Daddy.
Oh, stop muna. May dadaan.
It does look like a truck.
Dito ba kami naka ano dito? Saan? Hindi yan?
Ow!
Ito meron oh. Princess of Wales. Ayan oh. Ito. Diana, Princess of Wales. Yung wala po. Dito, dito. Dito, dito. Dito yata no.
Dito na lang tayo mas madali. Para diretso
Oh,
naman
sige, sige.
pag ano.
So, look, yay! I love my new trampoline. But now you're copyright.
Ay, naku.
The trampoline can turn to a phone, and when you turn into a trampoline, someone turn. Where can I swim and relax and pee-pee?
Here.
There's no toilet.
No.
Are we going back?
Yeah, go, go.
Wait for
Oh.
me.
At saka may mga pasok pa yung iba. Oo, alam mo pag weekend dito, talaga naman. Ganda-ganda ang sila. Tapos mag-aantay pa na may lumabas.
Ingat. Hanggang alang interest sila. Thank you.
Pwede tayo maupo sa more doon.
Oh, sa may... Oh, para...
Lalim ng puno.
Hindi naman siguro. Malalim ba? Malalim? Hindi naman eh. Hindi naman malalim. Doon tayo, doon. Tara tayo.
Sa gitna, saan ba? Sa gitna naman may bawan.
Oo nga eh.
Nakala sila.
Dito lang sa gilid dito. Ayun pala meron din doon oh, sa dulo.
Mga sa ilang ano girl, baka makatapak.
Oo nga ano. Yan.
So cold.
Doon oh, madulas ka baby. Wag dyan.
But so cold.
Malamig. Okay lang yan.
Hot taken.
Dito ba oh.
Go there, sunny.
Ayan dito. Be careful be careful. Yan.
It's a little bit chilly.
Sure. It's okay, be careful.
It's a little bit chilly.
Oh, be careful. Okay lang yan. Oh, be careful, Jewel. Oh, hold. Oh, good job.
Ow! Is that cold, right? Yeah! So my mom doesn't love it.
No.
Wow!
Yeah, not them. Be careful the people, Don't only Tamara, all both of you. Jewel, take this one.
want to.
Yeah, but hold this one. This is yours. Like the okay, wag mong bitawan. Mamawala. Oh, yan. Oh, dito lang kayo mababaw eh.
It's getting sick.
Oh, baka madulas ka. Slippery. Good job. Ayun si Kuya RJ, oh. Kuya RJ's there. Jewel, Kuya RJ's there. Rebecca, Kuya RJ's there.
Kuya RG. Kuya RG. Kuya RG.
Oh, Jewel, careful, careful, guys. Okay, guys. Be careful, guys. Be careful, eh?
Who did that?
Oh, be careful. Doon, oh, Jewel. Rebecca. Jewel, punta kayo doon, oh. Over there. Yeah? Doon, doon. Doon, go there. Oh, oh. Come on, come on. Dito, dito, dito. Come here. Rebecca, come, come. Come. Come here. Yeah, I'm Rebecca. Come on.
It's fun!
Yeah. Ah, bumalik si Becca. It's kind of turning back.
Rebecca, where's Rebecca? She's so cute and little. She's so cute. I think Rebecca.
And Rebecca is kind of going back, yeah? It's alright.
Rebecca car. Like baby car. That's my cousin.
Oh, wait nyo. Wait nyo si Rebecca. Wait nyo si Rebecca. Wait nyo si Rebecca. Ayun pala. Ayan pala eh. Ayan pala. Natakot. Pag-antayin nyo si Rebecca. Ayun. Come, Rebecca, here. Ah. Oh, oh, ayan, si Lalo, oh. Yeah.
Rebecca, cute.
Yeah, it's here na. Okay. Come on, let's go here. Rebecca. Oh, hintay mo friends mo. Wait your friends. Oh, Jewel, be careful, madulas. Be careful, madulas. Nadulas yung bata. Be careful guys, ha? Very slippery. Oh, be careful, slippery. Oh.
It's okay if we get our dresses wet.
Ala, it's like a falls. We have a falls here.
Ah! It's okay, be bravery in your head.
There's a falls.
Do you know what bravery means?
Bravery.
To be brave.
Okay.
Be brave, guys.
I don't know.
It's okay. This ain't waterfall.
Waterfalls here.
You can go for it. I mean, go for it. You need to climb up. You have bravery. You can do it.
Okay.
If you have
Wow, nice here. Oh, wait, Rebecca. Wait, Rebecca. Go, Rebecca. Go. It's fine.
Come on, Sam, here we go. Sammy,
Yay!
can I carry you? Do you want me to carry you?
It's not even cold enough. It's not even.
Please, darling, won't you please?
I'm ripping your drink everywhere.
What are you doing?
Huh? Oh, careful.
It's okay, be focused. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, be careful. Okay, be careful, yeah?
Tomorrow is already there.
Oh, be careful, Jimmy. Madulas. Be careful. Dun. Be, madulas dito kayo, Be, oh.
It's okay, just be careful.
Nice. Ay, may boat, Look, oh. Quick, go quick. Rebecca, go, Rebecca. Oh, be careful, ah. Yan. Hi guys. Thank you for watching. See you next vlog. Thank you. Ayan mga bata, enjoy. See you next vlog. Bye, Bibi. Bye sa ano. Bye.
See you next channel.
Oh, be careful.
I miss you.
Oh.